Wonderful Women's Day celebrations to all of you. Celebrate womanhood and let's choose to challenge ourselves. No country can ever truly flourish if it stifles the potential of its women and deprives itself of the contributions of half of its citizens. International Women's Day is observed every year on the 8th of March. In most of the country, the day has been observed as a national holiday. Women from various cultural and ethnic groups come together, crossing all the boundaries to remember their struggle of many decades for peace, justice, equality, and development. The day allows women to raise her voice for an equal opportunity in whatever field she wants to participate in, as same as a man is provided with. The theme for this year's International Women's Day 2021 is Women Leadership Achieving an Equal Future in a COVID-19 World. The theme celebrates the social, economical, cultural, and political efforts by women around the world in shaping a more equal future and recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic. The modern women are independent and self-confident in every aspect and is capable of choosing everything and doing everything equal to men. They are making a difference to the world around them, and most importantly, they play a vital role in upbringing of children and making a home. Our responsibility is to honor and appreciate the women who are making success in their lives and bringing success into the life of other women and those around her. Women leaders and women's organizations stand at the front line of the COVID-19 crisis as a healthcare workers, caregivers, innovators, community organizers, and as some of the most exemplary and effective national leaders in combating the pandemic. The crisis has highlighted their traits like resilience, taking initiative, nurturing, emotional intelligence, listening skills, and collaboration onto the table and being acknowledged. Around the Asia-Pacific region and globally, women have been leading COVID-19 responses in their communities and countries, making decisions, developing policies, and implementing plans to ensure that the needs of the women and girls are not forgotten, and that response and recovery is inclusive of all. From health workers treating COVID-19 patients to service providers supporting survivors of violence, from this Prime Minister's leading national COVID-19 responses to women serving on community resilience groups, women are leading work to strengthen resilience and build back better from this pandemic. But we need more of them. Women leadership brings essential knowledge, skills, resource, and experience to emergency responses and resilience building. When women are involved in the development and implementation of COVID-19 response plans, they are more likely to consider the disappropriate impact that the pandemic is having on women and children. In addition to persistent pre-existing social and systematic barriers to women's participation and leadership, new barriers have emerged with the COVID-19 pandemic. Across the world, women are facing increased domestic violence, unpaid care duties, unemployment, and poverty. Despite women making up a majority of frontline workers, there is disappropriate and inadequate representation of women in national and global COVID-19 policy spaces. Women leadership brings essential knowledge, skills, resources, and experience to emergency response and resilience building. When women are involved in the development and implementation of COVID-19 response plans, they are likely to consider the disappropriate impact that the pandemic is having on women and children. In addition to persistent pre-existing social and systematic barriers to women participation and leadership, new barriers have emerged with the COVID-19 pandemic. Across the world, throughout history, society has always perceived men to be the strong ones. With the many struggles women have endured through the years, it's no question that we have worked hard for our titles as strong, independent women of today. Ladies, just look how far we have come in the last 100 years. We have fought blood, sweat, and tears to get to where we are today. We are still, we may still have a long way to go, but we are driven and motivated to carry on. The history teaches that women will be forgotten if they forget to think about themselves. The term empowerment is one which includes multiple processes of having personal, economic, social, political dimensions in which personal empowerment becomes the core of the empowerment process. Women empowerment starts from psychological empowerment of oneself. Let's take few steps to change our psychological mindset positively. Start every day on a positive note. Practice gratitude, open yourself up to humors, identify your areas of negativity, spend time with positive people, practice positive self-talk, focus on the good things, challenging situations and obstacles as a part of life. Furthermore, we have to accept that both women and men contribute equally to the betterment of the home and the society. Women are the one who brings life, and every woman is extraordinary no matter where she works, whether it's a home or office. Every woman who awakens the courage within herself is Durga. Every woman who awakens transformation within herself is Kali. Every woman who awakens devotion within herself is Parvati. And every woman who nurtures within herself is Annapurna. As we celebrate the centenary of International Women's Day this year, let's recognize the significance of women in our lives and on society and inspire them for greater future achievements as they can contribute equally to the home, society and nation. I believe women shall not be afraid to be smart. There is no limit to what we as women can accomplish. And I wish that all women will make their own space by challenging themselves. Wish you have a wonderful Women's Day, and let every day will be Women's Day. Thank you.